OpenAI is playing both sides, building the most powerful AI on Earth while lobbying for the laws that would regulate it. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Thursday, May 14th, 2026.
OpenAI endorsed two AI safety bills, COSA and Illinois' SB 315, and opened a DC workshop for lawmakers and regulators. They're framing AI as a future global utility, like electricity, smart PR, or genuine accountability. Anthropic just launched Claude for small business. 15 ready-to-run agentic workflows across finance, HR, sales, and ops. It connects to QuickBooks, HubSpot, DocuSign, and more. Small businesses are 44% of U.S. GDP. They've been underserved by AI. Synthesia published a 6-step AI security playbook for vibe-coded apps, benchmarked against Anthropic's Mythos model. It costs under $4 per review, and it matters. 40% of last year's 5,000 Experian data breaches were AI-driven. Anthropic's revenue run rate is reportedly on track to hit $50 billion by June. That's not a typo. The Wall Street Journal says Anthropic has gone from behind to front runner in the AI boom fast. Microsoft unveiled M-, an agentic AI system that autonomously hunts for security vulnerabilities. It already found 16 Windows flaws, including 4 critical remote code execution bugs.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about OpenAI's regulatory strategy and public good mission in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.